Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Open Device Manager and inspect the display adapter. If it shows an error, right-click and choose Properties to note the code. Once done, create a restore point so you can revert changes if needed. Next, download the latest Intel driver package that matches your CPU/GPU model. This ensures compatibility. You do this now because outdated or wrong drivers are the most common reason the Intel HD graphics control panel won't appear. Now perform the detailed uninstall and reinstall steps. First, uninstall the Intel graphics driver from Device Manager. Select Delete Driver Software when prompted to remove remnants. Once removed, install the freshly downloaded Intel driver package or run the Intel driver and support assistant to automate the correct install. Make sure to accept any prompts to replace existing packages. After installation, restart your PC so services register. Then check for the Intel Graphics Control Panel or the new Graphics Command Center app to confirm the interface returns. Finish by ensuring the control panel application and services are active. If the app is still absent, reinstall the Intel Graphics Control Panel from the Microsoft Store or run the Intel Package Installer that includes the UI. Then open Services and set the Intel Graphics Control Service to automatic and start it, because the UI depends on that background service. If problems persist, roll back to a prior driver version or use System Restore. This often resolves conflicts introduced by recent updates. One key troubleshooting tip is to try a prior stable driver build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.